Moving on to some ideas about concrete details, right? We were supposed to brainstorm. Can someone give me some ideas? First of all, what is a concrete detail? Noah?
Information gathered directly from your source.
Info from the source directly. Good. Let's continue. What else is a concrete detail? Yes, Amanda?
The concrete details, a fact you found from a reliable source in your paper.
Okay, good. Fact found from a reliable source. That's good. Rebecca?
Hard facts from a reliable source that supports claim.
Okay, so hard facts that support your claim. And what was the last part?
They make up the majority.
Yeah. Okay, so what are examples? What are examples of concrete details that you are going to put into your paper? You're not just going to put a quote from someone that said, minimum wage is great. That is not a concrete detail, or maybe they didn't say great. Maybe minimum wage is helpful to society. You're not going to include that as a concrete detail. What would you include? Yeah. Okay, can someone give me in their own paper some ideas about what you would give as an example? Yeah.
Maybe if there was like a study found on it.
So I would say according to research conducted by Harvard University in 2013, comma, and then you could cite what the research found. Okay, what is another example? So besides case studies, what would be another example, Ryan? Okay, so government legislation, you can use a law as an example. Another example of how this restricts our constitutional rights is found in the case of, the court case of Marbury versus Madison, or whatever it is, right? So you can use government legislation, court cases, and again, every single one of these has to support your topic sentence and your thesis, your position statement. Okay, so case studies, government legislation, court cases. What else can I include as concrete details? Again, the whole focus is specific examples. You can't just give a list of, animal experimentation is wrong because it hurts animals. It makes them sad. It kills them. You have to say, in a study conducted by, for example, and then you would give that example. Okay, so that's what we're looking for when we're looking for concrete details. Can anybody else kind of give me what they have found, maybe for their own paper? Okay, can you give personal stories from reliable sources? Let's say that you're trying to write on Middle Eastern women and rights in Middle Eastern women. Could you give an example from a popular or a well-known Middle Eastern woman who has actually spoken or given a testimony? Sure. So testimony of a reliable witness, not just someone that they found on the street. Okay, it's not from a newspaper and they said, we interviewed the gas station owner and asked him how he heard about the accident. Can you do business owners? Sure, maybe you have something about minimum wage. So maybe a particular business experience that occurred. A specific event that supports. Okay, maybe it's a historic event that's happened. If you're doing Hurricane Katrina, maybe you can talk about a specific time when the United States government actually did something to promote safety or promote rebuilding. Maybe there was an event that was taken that the government actually supported and did for the group. Okay. So today you're going to be working on your outline. Okay. I'm going to be passing out your outlines and you are going to be writing your outline in class. Your outline cannot be taken out of this classroom today. Do not take it with you. Can you take your outline out of class? No, don't take your outlines out of class today, okay? So I'm going to be giving them to you. Let me see if I can bring it up here. Nope. Okay, so outline.